Welcome to Use Instincts Book Fam. Let's see what we got today. Wait. It's a sheet of paper? A sheet of paper in book fam? Wait. I got two crayons. Let's draw a rose. So, you do the stem. Oops. Then, after you do the stem, you make a row. Go like this, and you go like this. Keep going like this. Then I'll do an open one on the back. And this is an open one. This is the rose patch, so you know. That's a closed one. That's how my friend draws one. I think it's like this is for a fat one. No, I'm not very good. Let's just draw like a good flower. That's my brother. I'm just drawing one flower now. I know, I'm very not good at them. I'm very not good. I'm very, very not good. I'm very bad.
Is that's a basic flower?
Yeah. It's for little kids, okay?
Yeah.